Dear students, question number 39 of part test 2 is an aptly placed question from permeability and seepage from chapter of topic of geotechnical engineering. And in this question, it is given that due to rise in temperature, the viscosity and unit weight, it reduced to 75% and 95% of their original values, and it is asked that what is percent change in permeability. Now, from detailed formula, permeability is given by gamma W upon neta, where gamma W is unit weight of water, neta is viscosity, E cube upon 1 plus E, where E is void ratio of given soil sample, C is a constant, and D is mean diameter of soil under studies. Now it is given that E is constant, C is constant, D is constant, only gamma W and N they are changing. Hence we can rewrite this K as gamma W into neta into A. Now since we have to find the percent change, so we have to take final value upon initial value. So final value will be gamma W1 upon N1 into A, and K, that is with respect to initial value, will be gamma W upon neta into A. So A and A, they will cancel out. So we will be left with this expression. Now it is given that final value of gamma W1, if we see here, it is said that it has changed to 95% and 75%. So we can say that neta 1 is 0.75 of initial neta and gamma W1 is 0.95 times of initial gamma. Hence substituting this relation, that is gamma W1 upon gamma W is 0.95 and neta 1 upon neta is 0.75, we get K1 as 1.295. That means there is change of 29.5% in value of K1, since percentage change will be K1 minus K upon K1. So from this expression we can easily figure it out as 29.5%. Hence correct answer for question number 39 is option B. Thank you.